The Supreme Court may weigh in for the first time on transgender sports bans. West Virginia has asked the Supreme Court to let it enforce their anti-trans ban. West Virginia on Thursday asked the Supreme Court to allow it to enforce the state law that prohibits transgender women and girls from participating in public school sports. The emergency request filed to the court by State Attorney General Patrick Morrisey gives the justices a chance to weigh in on the hot button issue that has taken center stage in recent years as Republican-led states have moved to impose restrictions on the lives of trans youth with a particular focus on school sports, as we've been talking about already today. This is from The Advocate, by the way. I'm reading from The Advocate. GOP Governor Jim Justice signed the law in 2021. A transgender student athlete in the state quickly sued, and the district court temporarily blocked the law 3 months after it was enacted. But earlier this year, the district court ruled in favor of the state. The athlete then appealed to the 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, which put the law on hold again. Now the state is asking for the nation's highest court to step in and weigh in on this. Supreme Court has previously declined to weigh in on other high-profile cases concerning the rights of trans students. In 2021, the court stayed out of a dispute over whether a trans student could use the bathroom that corresponded to his gender identity, handing a victory to the LGBT community. Again, another story that we reported here. So this will be really interesting to see what happens if the Supreme Court steps in on this and weighs in on this ban. It'll have massive implications for the trans and greater LGBT community.